Hey guys, it's Erika. Yesterday I went to Foothill Wholesale Nursery and they have a lot of common plants there there's like a bunch of different sizes, and I'm not sure how much a lot of the plants were because you have to ask for every plant and I didn't want to annoy them, but they had some really big ZZs for I think a good price, and from what I remember last time they were good prices also, so yes. Here we are. So as you can see, this nursery is pretty much a big, just a big like greenhouse, and there's a bunch of different kinds of plants. They're very common plants, but they're at a really low price. So this is a good place to come if you just want your basic plants for cheap. So over here we got some little succulents and then some small variegated Scheffleras. And then if you look over here, you can see these massive ZZs. So these really big ones, they're so big, like these stems are very thick. They are $70 each. And over here, these smaller ones are $30 each, which I think is a really good price because I got ones from Costco similar to this for $20, but the stems aren't as thick and they're not as filled out as these. So I think these are a really good deal. If you want a big ZZ plant, I would highly recommend to come here. And then we got some more succulents over here, some small little snake plants, and some little palms. So there's these palms, and then there's also these palms. I don't really know what they're called. Each one is called. I know one of them's a Parlor Palm. I think it's that one. But there's those, and there's also some Syngoniums. And this is a, what is this called? I'll write it down, I can't remember right now. I think it's a Dieffenbachia. Okay, and as you can see, well, these are the kind of 4-inch, sorry, I'm going crazy with this camera. These are the 4-inch pot sizes. And for some plants, they come in like various sizes, so you could choose which size you want. And also above us, there are some, I'm pretty sure these are Cissus plants, but they're pretty big. They look very nice. So there's some of those. And this is the Sansevieria section. You can see all the different kinds of Sansevieria there are. Look at this, you guys. This is okay, I can't take it down. It has a little bit of hydration system going on, but this is maybe an Easter cactus, but there's also a Thanksgiving cactus mixed in with it. Let me get to a better lighting situation. So the ones with the blooms are a Thanksgiving cactus, and then there's also maybe an Easter cactus or a Christmas cactus mixed in with it. So that's pretty cool. And you can see there's just a whole bunch of succulents, hanging succulents, and of course more Sansevierias. I'm pretty sure these aren't for sale, but look at these blooms coming off of that one plant. That's a really big plant. Oh my goodness. There's these, some sort of pine. Bigger statement plants. Might be a majesty palm. And there's different sizes of peace lilies also. So there's some small ones over there, and there's just varying sizes. These ones have huge leaves that I think are so beautiful. Look how gorgeous these are. Wow, it's just like a fan yourself. And these spikes are huge. They're just really big. They're very nice plants. Here we have some crotons, and there's different kinds of crotons. The Petra, and then I'm not sure what this one is called, but it has kind of a different shaped leaf. Some more Scheffleras, variegated ones. Oh, I like this variegation. It looks very watercolory, just like a little hints of it. That's very nice, very subtle. Above us there are varying sizes of pothos. There's golden pothos pretty much above us right now, and then over there you can kind of see that there's orchids hanging. We'll go back over there. And of course bigger sizes of the plants. And there are anthuriums over here. There's a red one, and then a pink one, and then some really big ones. Oh, there's also these cute little Monstera deliciosas. They're not really that little. Some of them have some splits, but they still have their little heart-shaped leaves that are so cute. Oh, we're here where the philodendrons are, and there's some sort of bird screaming. Don't know what it is, but I think it's bird. And there's various types of orchids, and these aren't blooming, they're just hanging here. There's a bunch of them, and I don't know what their flowers look like or anything, so they're just up here. Some of them have really cool leaves though, like this one over here. I don't know, it has these hanging things. That one's just really cool. So yeah, I don't know what they look like, but there's orchids. And then below that we have some spider plants and Dracaenas, and they have different colors of Dracaenas, which is really nice because you can get the color that you like the best. And then the same for these marginatas. They have the different kinds of colors. I don't see the really bright pink ones. And there's some different plants here. These 6 inches are $4 each. By the way, they only take cash here, so if you come, you gotta make sure you bring cash money. And these 8 inches are $7.50. So these Fiddle Leaf Figs are $7.50, which they're pretty big and healthy to be $7.50. Like, if you also want a Fiddle Leaf Fig, I would recommend coming here. Or a rubber tree. It's pretty perfectly priced. And above there's some more spider plants. There's the different kinds of variegation on them, so whichever variegation you prefer, pretty much you can choose from. Oh my gosh, look at the roots on these babies. This is a little bit creepy. This is essentially like an air plant. Wow, this is awesome. Okay, and then we got some more Aglaonemas, and these are so full, it's insane. This one looks really cool. Has some different kind of variegation. They're really shiny, so it's kind of hard to show you, but it has some different looking variegation. And then of course there's some flowering plants, some Cyclamen, and here are some zebra plants, and then Kalanchoes. also we got our classic Maidenhair Ferns and Bromeliads. But yeah, there's just a whole bunch of mixture of plants here. And this is where they have like the bigger trees. So there's some big Dracaenas over here, some big rubber trees. Oh, there's more ZZ plants over there. Dracaenas. There's some bigger rubber plants. I don't see any giant rubber trees, but there's some bigger Fiddle Leaf Figs. So nice, so nice. And then look at these massive birds of paradise. It really amazes me how big birds of paradise can get. They just get so massive. And there's so many growing, just like as an outdoor plant in California. Look at these marginatas. They can stab your eyes. Down here there are some more, you know, spider plants and palms and stuff like that. And then you can see in the back there's a whole bunch of Boston ferns. Some really brightly colored Dracaenas. Very nice looking. There's also a lot of different kinds of lipstick plants here. They have the curly ones and they have smaller versions of these, but these are really good looking ones. Okay guys, that is it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it and I will see you in the next one. Bye!